Y'all get 45 seconds on why I should be in streaming university.
Because
I can burp words. I cook like your grandmother, and I drink like your uncle. I can do this. And I'm laughing out his drawers. Don't let my work clothes fool you. Don't let it fool you. I am that bitch, been that bitch, always will be that bitch. And all those burps were off of air. Imagine what I sound like with soda. Actually, go look at the pinned comments and stuff. Because I can do this. I just need the key. You got the keys? Give them to me like you did the rest of them.